Masarap.
Yes, for lunch. Meron kaming gulay. Meron kaming pako at meron kaming paksiw. So, ayan po yung kakainin natin ngayong lunchtime ng Sunday.
I like paksiw.
Very nice. Yeah, that's paksiw. And the kids are having vegetables, fish, paksiw. You like yummy, right? Auntie made very nice paksiw. Say paksiw.
Auntie, paksiw. Auntie, eat for 2 minutes. I don't have already.
Is paksiw nice? Thank you for asking Auntie to eat. Chico, you eat. Okay? Mommy will also eat now.
Chico, that's being greedy.
What happened?
We didn't spray.
Oh no.
They are good. Let everyone be safe. Well, bless this food we are going to receive. Amen.
Amen.
Let's go bless this food we are going to receive.
Go.
Mom, go to shower.
Yes. You're very scary. You want to shower? You go and shower. You have school today. So should I get a scissor and cut that bam? Hello guys, time check tayo. Alas 4 ng hapon. Alas 5 na pala. At ako kami ni Auntie Christine ay nagpe-prepare ng ulam namin. So naalala ninyo, galing sa balot, isla ng balot, may inuwi kaming pakol na isda. Yung napaka-perfect sugbahin. So niluluto ni Auntie ngayon yung napakalaking pakol. And ako naman ay nagluluto ng gulay para meron tayong gulay on the side. Gusto ko sanang gumawa ng dahon. So, maghanap ako ng dahon after this. Pero parang gusto kong kumain ng pritong talong. So, magpiprito lang ako ng talong. And then, maghahanap ako ng dahon na aking ilalaga. Para may partner yung ating isda. Kasi pangit naman isda lang tsaka sausawan. I mean, perfect na siya guys. Hindi ako nagre-reklamo. Pero mas masarap pag may gulay sa tabi. Kahit simple lang na gulay. So, ilalaga lang yung dahon and then sausawan na lang na toyo at saka kamatis. Pwede na. So, ito lang ako saglit ng talong. Si Auntie, sasamahan natin mamaya. Titingnan natin sa likod yung kanyang ginagawa. Okay, Ate Buji. Sabi ko, kumuha muna siya ng gulay sa kapitbahay. Kasi partner namin sa isda. Bumalik siya guys. Ang dala niya sa akin. Sobrang sweet at sobrang cute na bouquet. Bouquet ng talbos na kamote. Pagkaluto nito guys, isang kutsara lang to malamang. Sabi ko, ate, dagdagan mo naman ng konti pa. Kasi maraming tayong kakain. Ito lang kinuha niya, oh. Pero okay lang. Shoutout sa kapitbahay namin, hindi madamot sa kanyang talbos ng kamote. I love you. Nakaluto na ako ng talong, oh. Oh, diba? Yan. Tapos ito na lang ipapartner ko. Kung hindi talaga kaya, okra na lang. Kasi masarap din talaga pag may gulay yung katabi yung isda natin, guys. Yan. Hindi niyo ako masyado nakikita pala sa kusina, guys, no? Kasi dati ako talaga mahilig ako magluto. Pero nung nag-start na akong magtrabaho, Parang pagod na talaga ang beauty ng all at hindi ko na kaya. So, ang toka talaga sa pagluluto si Auntie Christine. Tsaka, sa washing machine siya din. Pero si Ate Budget sa loob ng bahay, tsaka sa kay Mayumi. Kasi Auntie naman, pag-guide at tsaka pag-disiplina sa mga bata pag wala ako. Meron na namang isang sabi niya sa akin, yung mga anak ko daw ay nagme-meeting na kasi palalayasin daw nila ako dahil ako daw ay nanay na iniiwan lang yung anak ko sa mga katulong. Sila na daw yung tumatay yung nanay sa mga anak ko. Apaka-perfect mo naman, ate. Apaka-perfect mo naman sa mundo. Nahiya naman ako sa iyo. Parang hindi ko pa nga tinodo, galit na galit ka na. Hindi mo alam kung anong klaseng buhay meron ako, ate. Kalma ka lang. Huwag ka masyadong magalit. Baka mamaya takihin ka sa puso niyan. Hindi man ako galit sa'yo, ate, ah. Mostly kasi yung mga galit sa akin, mga ganyan na mga comment, guys. Ang reason bakit sila ganyan mag-comment at galit sila kasi hindi nila kayang gawin yung ginagawa kong paglayas. Sama kita, gusto mo? Kung mag-alala, ate. Kahit nagalayas ako, pagbalik ko, yung mga anak ko, ako pa din ang pipiliin. Kasi alam nila na hindi ako nagkulang sa kanila. Naiyak nga ako sa sinabi ni Calby eh. May sinabi si Calby, naiyak ako sa sinabi niya, guys. Kasi inosente talaga na bata ba. Okay, mamaya ko na lang sabihin kasi baka mamaya umiyak ako dito, nagluluto ako, makamalas yan. Hindi magiging masarap yung aking niluluto. Yan, tapos na yung aking talo. You close the toilet, auntie? Good thing we don't have smoke fire alarm. Dripping. Everything is closed. Otherwise, did it start cracking?
Yeah,
that's huge.
Hi, how are you? How are you? Hindi ko alam bakit mahilig ka maglagay ng paa mo na ganyan na para kang pensyonada. Ha? Pensyonada ka ba? Pensyonada ka ba, Mayumi? I love those big black eyes. It's so round. Achoo! 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 Say mama. Mama. Say mama. Mama. Mama, 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 mama. Say mama, 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 mama. Mama, 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 mama. Mama, 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 mama. What? Mama, mama. Say mama. Mama, mama, mama. Say mama. Mayumi, say mama. 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 Say mama.
What are you guys doing? Playing what? What game is that?
Because playing toy, then I'm pouring water on the bucket.
Are you playing with Vaseline? I hope that's not Vaseline I'm seeing there.
Mom, I'm playing with when you sit. Wait.
Yumi! Welcome home! Saan ka naman naggala? Saan ka naman naggala? Ha? Si kilid-kilid lang. Bakit ka ganyan dinadala? Para kang ano? Gulay. Para kang gulay. Para kang papaya.
Yan na guys, luto na yung si Uncle Pakol. Pero si Uncle Pakol guys, medyo nakakatakot. I've never seen a fish that is this scary. Kung gaano siya kasarap guys, ganun naman siya ka... Hindi ko alam eh. Parang meron pa siyang last words bago sinugba. Never ako nakakita ng isda na may ngipin. Dito lang sa isdang to. Talagang
Yung ngipin talaga na full set guys ha, bago nagpa-braces. Pero anyway, huwag na lang tingnan yung mukha. Dito na lang tayo sa katawan. And then meron tayong talong. Then dahon ng kamote. Sausawan. Ito, binili ko to sa SNR Davao. Kasi sa Thailand guys, mahilig sila sa tamarind paste pagdating sa mga sugbang isda at saka sugbang manok. So nakalimutan ko siyang gamitin kagabi. Nag-ano ako ng lechon manok. Pero ngayon meron tayong isda. Ang sarap nito tamarind paste. Amoy ano talaga siya. Amoy sampalok. Purong sampalok. Wow, Kalbi. Second plate. You like the fish? Roasted fish? Say sugbang isda. Did teacher check your book? Did she saw your work? How about you, Chico? Did teacher get your book?
Mom, but I didn't finish. I didn't finish some homework on what? Oh, on language.
Language. You did not finish.
That sister one I was missing.
All right, we will do it then.
Tomorrow.
Okay. Then Chico also has some work he did not finish. Grabe, ubos talaga ni Chico ang pagkain niya. Oh, pati isda. Yes.
I'm going to time five. Then when Mayumi grows up, she's going to be my sister. So Chico has to help me in my kindergarten.
How about you? When you grow up, what do you want to be? You want to grow up or you want to stay like a child?
I want to stay like a child.
Why?
Because I like my homework.
You're what?
I like to be like this.
Why?
Because I said I like being like this.
You like being a child. But everyone grows up like Auntie and Ate Buji and Mommy and Tito
But
Parts.
if I grow up, then I'm going to stay at that school.
Yeah, then we don't see you so much.
I want to stay like a child.
Why?
Because I'm so afraid.
Afraid of what?
Afraid of leaving you behind.
Oh. You're not gonna leave me behind. I'm coming with you wherever you go.
So I don't go to the mountain. I don't go anywhere.
You have to travel when you're bigger. You have to go to the mountain. You have to go to the sea. You have to go fly the plane.
Fly the plane. That thing.
You have to be.
You have to be like this.
Yeah.
I have to be kindergarten and nursery.
That's why now you learn how to swim because you will have fun. You will see the world. Okay? Don't be scared like Mommy.
It's always born to be like this.
Good morning. Good morning, Mayumi. Ready na si Mayumi maglakwat siya. Up. He wants to hug Chico. Hug your sister too. Hug. She wants a hug. Thank you. Mayumi. Mayumi. Hi. 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 You miss your brother? You miss your brother Kahil too? Sabi nila mahal daw magkaanak. Paano maging mahal magkaanak kung supot lang yung laruan? Mayumi. O, nakita mo na naman yung ID. Chat? What do you want to chat with me? Finger is too small. Okay. That's the name. Where are you going? That's the name. Nice. Now your name has your Chico. Look. Nice. Zuma.
Zuma's my diamond.
Show auntie on your water bottle. Anati Buji. Or come. Sabi ni Chico paglabas sa kwarto, Mom, look how smart I am. Ah!
What's that, Mom?
Which one?
What's that?
Chico, may exam ka, may exam ka bukas. Mag-aral ka mamaya, ha? Makinig ka kay teacher, ha? Makinig, ha? Makinig, ha?
Mommy,
Be, tingnan ko muna yung damit mo, be. Wow! Very smart. Ay, ate, oh, look, may mga amigas. Ants. The ants fall in line like children. You see? If I put my finger here, they cannot cross. Uh-oh, they're going back. They're scared of my finger. Up. Uh-oh. They cannot cross.
We're going home.
They're going home. Are they looking for sweets? Why don't you give them that cracker, see if they want it?
Yeah.
Let me see. Nyam, 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 nyam. Exam na ni Chico bukas, guys. Good luck kasi gumawa kami ng assignment niya. Sabi ko, anong shape to? Dun sa may orasan. Sabi niya, triangle. Talino mo talaga, Chico. Ang talino mo talaga. But let me see. Let me fix your, your uniform na lang. Kaya hindi na buton. Happy Tuesday. And as you can see, taong bahay po tayo ngayon. Kasi kahapon ako ay pumunta sa doctor's check-up. Kasi alam nyo guys, anong nangyari? Yung sugat ko ay na-infection. And of course, expected na yan kasi hindi po ako tumigil sa pagtatrabaho. Simula nung tinatahi ko yung sugat, tinatanggal ko yung corn. And kahapon nga, after ng mga trabaho ko, after na pagpunta natin sa Isla ng Balot, ang ending guys, na-infection po yung sugat ko. Nagkaroon siya ng nana. And I have some few mistakes as well na i-share ko sa inyo para hindi naman mangyari sa inyo to. So, it was alas 8 ng umaga kahapon nang naisip ko na dalhin na talaga siya. Kasi nga, I was having like parang throbbing pain. Yung sa amin pa sa Bisaya, nagangut-ngut yung samad. So, I did not want to take medicine without the instructions of the doctor. At saka gusto kong ipatanggal, ipalinis na din siya. At nakahanap ako ng clinic. Shout out nga pala dyan sa Mira Maternity Clinic and other clinics dyan sa may Kalumpang area. Yung daan papuntang MSU, Mindanao State University. Merong bagong tayo dyan na clinic na sobrang mura guys. 100 pesos lang yung consultation. At saka yung paglinis ng mga sugat, pagtahi ng mga sugat, at saka kung ano pa na available nila, ay sobrang mura lang talaga. Makaapas ang pobre you guys. So I was there at 8 o'clock in the morning, pero nagkataon na merong pasyente na na-aksidente, kaya mas maraming tatahiin. So I ended up waiting around 3 to 4 hours. Doon na nga ako nananghalian habang nag-aantay. Pero after nung tinahin nila sa aksidente, ay mabilis na naman umusad yung linya. So anyway, I was there and I spoke to the doctor. So the doctor told me few things na infected nga yung sugat and there was may nanana siya sa loob. So one of the reason bakit siya na-infect guys, ako kasi takot talaga ako sa mga ganyan na process. So dinelay ko yung pagpapatanggal ng tahi. Hindi siya absorbable. Tama ba yung word? Hindi siya na-absorb, so hindi matatanggal yung tahi na unless ipapatanggal ko siya sa doktor. So I should have done that 7 to 10 days after nung pagtahi. Kasi pag hindi, yung sinulid niya ay magiging cause ng infection. Other than that is pagbasahan ng sugat sa tubig dagat, another cause ng infection niya. Kaya ang ginawa ni Doc ay talagang nilinis niya at pinasukan niya ng tubig. Ang sakit guys, in fairness, maluha-luha ako kahapon. And tinanggal niya yung pus, nilinisan niya, and then tinanggal yung tahi ng dahan-dahan. So it was painful, but it was amazing process. And ang total na nabayaran ko for that is only 700 pesos. Again, sobrang tuwa ko at merong ganyang klaseng clinic dito ng mura lang. Anyway, sinabihan ako ng doktor to take medicine again, antibiotic for 7 days, 3 times a day. Meron din akong pain reliever at meron akong antibacterial na cream na kailangan ipahid sa aking sugat at kailangan ko siyang linisan everyday. So ngayon kakaligo ko lang, kailangan ko na siyang linisan.
And ang pinakamasakit doon is, sabi sa akin ng doktor, I cannot work for 5 days or 7 days para may time na mag-heal yung sugat ko na hindi siya masyadong ma-pressure sa paglalakad. So that's the reason why I am home right now, drying my hair with the electric fan. Ayan. Pero tamang-tama kasi wala yung mga anak ko ngayon at may aral sila, si Calvi at si Chico. So I will try to make myself as productive as I can. Ayan, as much as I can. Kasi hindi pwedeng mawala yung araw na wala tayong ginagawa. So I started my day with few editing videos, uploading videos, and also researching kung ano yung pwede natin gawin na mga future episodes. How am I going to expose, or how am I going to promote the beauty of South Cotabato, the beauty of Soc Sargent. So Soc Sargent, when we say Soc Sargent, is actually South Cotabato plus Cotabato plus Sultan Kudarat plus Sarangani Province plus General Santos City. So I am hoping that I could move a lot locally, lalo-lalo na dito sa aming area, para ma-share naman natin sa inyo yung ganda ng aming place dito sa Soc Sargent. I could start with Jensen first kasi taga dito ako, and then South Cotabato, and then so on and so forth. Ayan. So anyway, as you can see guys, I want to give you an update as well about my hair. Ganito na po yung kulay niya after 2 wash. I actually opted for light purple, pero ganito na purple or violet yung lumabas, which I don't mind. Maganda pa rin naman siya. Though, it looks like black kapag walang init ng araw. Pero, I hope you guys can see the light, the color. Ayan. So, ganyan na yung kulay niya. And, yeah, masaya naman ako guys sa pinanggagawa ko sa sarili ko. Kasi like I said, I really dreamt of having this kind of colors in my life. And I never had the courage, or I never had the money to do it. I always listen to what people say, hindi bagay sa'yo yan, hindi bagay sa'yo to. This time, wala akong pakialam kung bagay sa akin o hindi. Gagawin ko. So excited na ako guys for the remaining months of 2024 kasi I really wanted to try the colors that I really wanted to have. Para mga hang-ups baga. So anyway, I hope you guys are okay kung nasaan man kayo, kung nasaan man kayo sa mundo. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, kundi sa abroad, mga OFW brothers and sisters natin dyan, nanay at tatay, lola at lolo, mga anak ninyo, sana okay po kayo. And if you are watching this video, I hope you can feel my warm hug. If I could, I would. Ayan, dahil alam ko hindi madali yung buhay abroad. Alam ko talaga yan. Hindi lang yan financially challenging yung buhay abroad. Mentally challenging, emotionally challenging, physically challenging, financially challenging, spiritually challenging. Kaya hands up ako, and I salute all OFWs out there, of course, at sa mga pamilya ninyo na minamahal kayo dito sa Pilipinas. Ayan, malapit na naman magpasko guys. Sana makauwi naman kayo, okay? At syempre, shoutout sa atin namin kay Anshi. Ayan yung kanyang YouTube channel. We miss you. Tama na yung pag-a-abroad mo kahit na hindi naman pera yung habol namin sa'yo, pero grabe ka magtrabaho. Huwag ka mag-alala sis, yung bukid mo, ipamana mo na lang yung sa anak ko ha. Pangalan mo na yung sa mga bata. Anyway, yeah. Ang gagawin ko ngayong umaga ay ako'y magbebenta-benta. And then ako ay mag-i-edit ng aking videos at mag-research ulit. But before that, I want to show you guys kung ano yung natanggap ko galing sa ate ko. May natanggap akong surprise package. Ayan, eto. So, buksan lang natin kung ano naman itong pinagagawa ng ate ko. And this one is of course from our beloved friend. Ayan, kay Ate Dresil. Ito po yung page niya. Please make sure you check it out and you follow. Ate Buji, Mayumi, please check it out and follow her page, guys. Medyo mag-lean lang ako ng hayan. Kasi si Ate Dresil po ay gumagawa ng mga arts and printed crafts. Ayun, from mugs, mga giveaways, mga gifts, mga personal stuff. Pwede nyo pong i-check out tong page na to. Sobrang affordable and sobrang approachable. Tell her what you need, ask her what you need, and then she's gonna make it happen for you. Of course, yeah, it would be nice to support local business people. Ayun. So, ang in-order ng ate ko nung binuksan ko nga pala ay mga sticker names ng mga pamangkin niya. From Ashley to Chico. Ito yung love language ng ate ko eh. yung mga maliliit na bagay na akala mo hindi mo kailangan, pero kailangan mo pala. Katulad ng mga GCash, sis, kailangan ko, please send me right now. So, meron si Calvi. Then, meron din si Z. Ayan, para kay Z, pamangkin namin. Of course, meron din ditong, ang dami niyang pinagawa ha. Merong Zeri, mahal. Yung anak ng aming kalawang ate. Of course, para kay Tets, teacher Tets, para sa'yo, galing kay Madam Sheena. Lagay mo daw to sa ano mo, sa mga lapis mo, ballpen mo sa school para hindi mawala. Baka kinukuha ng mga co-teacher mo. Then, of course, Teacher Chean, yung pinsan namin na mahal yan. Ayan. But parang hindi ko nakikita yung pangalan ko dito. Harmony, anak ni Madam 10 Gifts. And, wala talaga guys. Akala ko meron ako dito, wala pala. Boss Jean, para sa'yo to. Motovlog mo. Then, ang hindi nakalimutan ng aking ate, si Madam Bibi. Ang may-ari ng Mine and Yours, Ukay-Ukay Philippines. Please check out mga ukay-ukay nila guys. Sobrang ganda at sobrang mura. Huwag na kayong mag-stress. Huwag na kayong mag-stress sa ukay. Bumili na lang kayo dito guys. Ayan ang sticker mo. Then, for our beloved nanay, ang kinakusgang nanay na mo guys, Mommy D. Hello, hello, may sticker ka. And lastly, ang hindi nakalimutan ng aking ate, sobrang sweat, si Auntie Christine. Ayan o. Iba talaga yung ate ko magmahal. Damay-damay ang all. Ang pretty ha, pink. Ayan o. Ayun. So yun guys, maraming salamat sister. I love you for this. And thank you for the love. And yun, huwag ka mag-expect na regalo mo yung Pasko. Kasi alam ko ikaw eh. Dapat may kapalit. Ayun, so mag-work lang ako guys and I'll see you on today's episode.